Alright guys, so for all who does see my first video before this year Dewey, that a Queenie Joe Plum rich, safe and sound in a UK guys. You see me? Him a go on tour the places are good.
I'm not take it, yeah, what you call it? British Airway?
Yeah.
Yo, no wear 10 clothes here. Oh. Uvex! Share the life, share the life. God, Claude.
Yeah.
But there you know here, so you can't stop chat.
Yeah.
That me I tell you, all who never like it, love it. That me have to tell you no, cause the more you eat, you know, it's like, you know, just give you more strength.
Amen.
So just join the team.
Amen.
I make the thing look good.
Crazy never
Oh, we don't want to fake over here.
Say yes, cause you bless them, man. You hear that from it not real? We don't want it.
We don't want it around
Yeah,
us.
me I tell you now. Jamaica land, my love, you know. Nah, forgive you, you know. You see me, nah, forget you, no matter fuck.
But better things have to come, you understand?
You understand, right? There's some better things have to come. Here we're going to big up all of my people, you know, big up the whole I want connect, the whole room badness, everybody. You hear that? My friend them a bad mind me to big up on the damn self. Me there,
I love that.
I love when you see me here, you know.
Yeah.
But remember, you know, one we have to do it, the whole team. She said it can be done.
Yes.
See me?
I love that, Dewey. I love that. All I hate are them him still love us. So.
Still love, you know.
Yeah, make a
I'm going to
perfect
tell you something. See my wife, I have to thank her. Because I have a corrupt mind, no joke. And she come, you know, give me a peaceful mind, a peaceful heart.
Amen.
So, you know, I have to big her up for that because she always...
Wait a little bit, that's
I will rude to them, you know. I will rude. Yeah, and share the life.
Share the life, share the life.
June Plum.
At the residence.
And remember, right now when you come seafood while start cooking everything around. Right?
Here we have. We don't come no hours and nights. It's not no night
I
party.
don't know night something. I night me go do so no come meet and greet them.
Uncle come and he want to relax. So he could have to come early.
Come early.
And after today, no, after today, there's a relax. You have to leave the resident for a couple of days.
Yes.
They need to catch up.
Yeah. No joke.
Glad.
No joke. Holy packaging up.
Oh God, do I really use this mother beside?
Holy
Mr.
packaging.
Mass diarrhea. I got, I have so much something.
Share the life, share the life. Good morning. Yeah, you come in, you must come.
That's what my niece love.
Yeah.
I'm taking my brother-in-law to the residence.
Right there.
Okay?
Right there.
Right over there.
Right, this is welcome.
Right over there, so you go. What the fake page? I'm not fake. Fake me page.
You better get real here.
We don't care about you now.
Mr. and Mrs. Scarlett. Yeah?
Could have been nobody else. Duh.
I didn't know the picture put together because I see me beside them as well. It's real, in a real life. In a real life.
I'm a tough fuck, take a good look out the door. Guy, you now see them tree and
Watch
them,
it, watch it, watch it, some
them
them.
over there, so. How we
The
call it?
sheep them, sheep.
You now see sheep and them think they are Jamaica, so.
Sheep.
How?
A sheep them. I mean not sheep, New York.
No, it's a sheep. It's a sheep. You say it's not Jamaica.
Yeah, that's cool, baby.
They don't do me that something. They don't do me that something. That deal.
Road runner. Rumba class. What them, booba, what them, booba. What them, bumba class. Bumba class.
We are take road now.
Chauffeur driven for my husband.
Yeah. When we just come to England, come Queenie, we have to take bus and train and jump.
I mean, big and bad. I never say my husband can't come to England. I'm me the queen. I am the fucking queen.
And Shireen.
Yeah. You see, love wins. Love always conquer it all. You hear that? When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. You see this man here 6 months, him take a married me for free for nothing at all. You don't think God is going to take 6 months and make him reach back here? So see that connection?
One connect, you know, see, I fight me there, I fight to the thick jacket go over your car.
Oh God, Dewey, you look so nice.
Thank you, my God.
Oh. I know. I am impressed too.
Gratitude to you now.
Oh, thank you.
My gratitude to my sister and my brother-in-law.
Connect,
Thank you,
connect.
sis.
The sky is the limit.
Oh God. I'm so glad for your support,
Yeah, the
Sandra.
sky is the limit. That's why me have to surprise her with the t-shirt them. She never
me
know
like
me I
it.
get the t-shirt
I
them.
like it, believe me.
Yeah, me surprised her yesterday.
Yeah.
Right,
She laugh, she put on a smile.
The
for
devil
her
is a
face.
fool, Laverne British said that. Make sure you reach at the house.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Love conquer it all. It's true.
Yeah.
That's what I'm telling you, as me drop down in the dirt in the wedding, the funeral. At that time, do we get the visa?
Right.
You
what
see
I
me
did
drop
it.
in her grave,
Right,
on my
what I
belly,
did it.
I'm going to drive out to the cemetery, and get the phone call. Do we say?
It think boss off. Me a come to England.
When do we tell me,
Share the
say?
life, share the life.
When do we tell me, say, I'm getting something? Say,
Do we
what?
put your face in?
I've got some face, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Share the life.
Yeah,
Share
got
the
it
life,
good,
share the
man. Do
life.
we reach him? I mean, him there, so it's not no camera trick.
No camera.
In a real life, see it? You can see
Got me
it.
there now.
Say no more, I'm charge on it in the car. The fucking nice
Don't
one.
charge it.
A nice, fast charge. Samsung. Watch your man bring him toothbrush come. Where you bring toothbrush come?
Clocks me have on.
Alright, okay.
Jesus Christ. God
Tell them
Almighty.
clocks me have wear.
What size are we doing?
7.
Well done, Sandra. Sandra, them so well done.
Oh my God, that's my sister, blood. My sister sent for me. My sister that sent for me come here. And when she out the door and wait for me and me coulda come. Yeah, no, she come in and she come. And when we come, we take bus and train and we never have fear if we got you. We jump the train. Tell you now. You see, Ranger car over, my brother.
Sure.
Range
Range
Rover taking my brother.
I'm driving in style, Mike. I'm driving in
We
style, Mike.
pave the way. Cause we hear Sandra so when me send for her, a bus would jump the train.
Jump the fucking train. Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
Fire!
Yeah.
Oh God, my husband do yeah.
Oh my God. Isn't there no feeling something?
Eh? You find it? How you feeling?
That's my nephew something. I have to take it from back.
Excited, happy, everything in our one. That's why we keep it positive. 100% positive.
No, she not the
So,
way.
when things happen in life, you get a positive result. Okay, not a negative one. Me I catch piece of accent, you know, me not reach it, the full accent. But, you know, me there on the British Airways and I be a British along with
Aisha, you get your wishes for 2 weeks and it come in 2 weeks, God, me I tell you. Right when me done drop in our grave, me get the phone call.
Yeah, man.
Surprise!
it. Connect.
But you see that the same day, you know, at the funeral, you know,
Surprise.
just by the Mexican.
Go now, man. Go now, man.
Me not lie, I'm sure.
Share the life, share the life, share the life.
Who did I say I could come to England? You talk on the live now, no matter like...
King Mix Up.
Like,
King Mix Up. King Mix Up.
King Mix Up.
You couldn't come out, you're not couldn't come to England, but you keep something at Jamaica, whatever.
Oh, I'm saying keep something at center, myself.
And you can't come to England. Now me and Queenie go say,
Yo, hear me I say now, my bad friend. Cause me know he has no other name, you know. Is it?
Listen.
Hold on, make me talk to them, make them hear my voice.
Okay, darling, okay.
I wish for me there right now. Eh? Now England me there. So you want your talk and yourself could have stay on one part. That me I tell you, cause people still don't know all you.
that's true.
Boy.
That's what I'm saying.
No, just slow that, no man.